Ya sanibona, uma ngabe umuntu ongayithandi iy'ndaba zabantu ungahlali kuleli page, kanti futhi uma umuntu ongathandi ukulalela abanye abantu bexoxa ngey'ndaba zabantu ungahlali kuleli page, ngoba la sikhuluma ngey'ndaba zabantu. Njengamanje sokhuluma iy'ndaba zakaMseliku. Izolo ebusuku sibuke i-episode yokuqala ka-season 4 of Iy'ngane Zesithembu. Kade-ke sayilinda Iy'ngane Zesithembu, so vele besiy'buza ukuthi ama-storylines a-this season azobe ethini. I-storyline esikhulu kakhulu laphayana kwey'Ngane Zesithembu kubukeke ngathi ukuthi kuzoba i-storyline sikaLwandle noKhwezi nengane yabo and the DNA test and the alleged DNA test results. Laba abangakayibuki i-episode abane-access to DSTV now, hambani niyoyibuka i-episode ngoba baningi abantu abathi that whole thing ye-DNA it's a lie, we are misinterpreting it and all of that. Hambani niyoyibuka leya scene leyana. Noma-ke search DSTV la ku-Facebook, bane-page labo, Mzansi Magic kune-page labo. Go and watch, khona la beposta khona ama-clips. Go and watch i-clip kaLwandle noKhwezi bekhuluma ngendaba ye-DNA. Okay. Into eyenzekayo ukuthi one, uLwandle kufika uKhwezi ezomvakashela. And then uKhwezi ufika nengane. Now, be careful mangabe ulalele leya scene leya ngoba awumuzwa uLwandle ethi ingane yami. Awumuzwa uLwandle ethi uKhwezi uyafika ulethe ingane yami. No. Mayekhuluma ngaleya ngane uLwandle uthi ingane. uLwandle ungivakashele ufike nengane. Okay. That's one red flag for me. Okay. And then baqhubeka bayakhuluma. One, uKhwezi uyasho ukuthi kubo abazi ukuthi ula. That's another red flag. NoLwandle uyasho ukuthi fanele bahlangana ngokuyimfihlo. Basically, the families do not know ukuthi bona they are still in a relationship, basavakashelana. That's another thing ofanele uyinote kuleya scene yabo bo-two. Okay. Now, as bekhuluma uKhwezi uyabuza ukuthi okay fine, indaba ye-DNA, what do you think about it? And then she says, okay, that mina angingene ey'ndabeni ze-DNA because lokho izindaba zakho. Okay, izindaba zakho. Okay. I guess leyo part leyo iyona part mhlawumbe engasupporta laba abathi leya DNA ekhulunywa ngayo akuyona eyale ngane le kaKhwezi, ngoba uKhwezi uthi ngiyayazi indaba ze-DNA kodwa lezo yindaba zakho, hayi zami, angingene kuzona. Okay. And then baqhubeka bayakhuluma, and then uKhwezi uthi kwi-diary uthi ngenkathi bememezela ukuthi they are pregnant, uma kaLwandle, which is uMacele, insisted on DNA. And then uthi afterwards ke seyenziwe i-DNA uye wamfonela uthi ngafonelwa uma, which mina I'm assuming uMacele, kodwa it might happen ukuthi akuyena uMacele, kodwa uthi yena wafonelwa uma. Singafonelwa uma wathi hayibo nanga ama-DNA results esenzela enye into. Yabo, kusho uKhwezi. And then uKhwezi besethi mina ngaphendula ngathi there is no way. Uthi there is no way ukuthi mina nginganika uLwandle ingane engeyona yakhe. Meaning ukuthi lento yokuthi ama-DNA are about this child le yabo. uKhwezi uyakucacisa lokuthi wayezofonelelwana uKhwezi atshelwe ngama-DNA results enye ingane. Uthi wafonelwa watshela ukuthi hayibo nanga ama-DNA test results esitshela into esingayazi lana. And then uKhwezi wathi yena akawakholwa ama-results, so ufuna kwenziwe i-DNA kabusha. Now uLwandle also mentions ukuthi uma wakhe akazingeni indaba yengane. Guys, one thing ngoMacele, singasho anything ngaye, but one thing ngoMacele uyayithanda ingane. One thing ngoMacele uyayithanda ingane. Kwala usine esonile wathini kodwa we've seen uMacele taking pictures nengane kaSine, uyena owaqamba ingane kaSine and all of that. Uyayithanda ingane uMacele and uyabathanda abazukulu bakhe. So kungamangaza ukuthi lo mzukulu uMacele ukwazi ukuthanda iy'ngane zikaSinenge ngathi abazukulu bakhe biologically, when it's not because she is a stepmother to uSinenge. So eyokuthi akaspend isikhathi nale ngane lena, it's a red flag on its own. Ngisho ngakuthiwa into ye-DNA abakhulumanga nabo, if abakhulumanga ngayo, if they just came and said uMacele is refusing to spend time or bond with ingane, that thing will give you a red flag ukuthi why is Macele refusing to spend time with ingane, because uMacele uyayithanda ingane. And she was very excited ukuthi listen, ngingathanda ukuthi le ngane kube kaLwandle finally, you know. And nami ngithola ukuthi ngiyitholele umzukulu wami wokuqala, ngoba biologically ingane kaLwandle would have been her first biological grandchild. Okay, so the fact that uMacele akafuni ukuspend isikhathi nengane is another red flag. Now they have to meet secretly, because I think about families after DNA test, mhlawumbe i-assumption yabo was that le ngane izoyeka ukuthandana, because obviously ingane akuyona kaLwandle, uzoqhubeka kanjani ngomuntu ombathisa ijazi. Now guys, uLwandle ngeke ngathanda ukusebenzisa leli gama elithi eneslo, kodwa uLwandle unako ukuthatha kancane guys, masisho ngesizulu, unako ukuthatha kancane, ngoba amukho umuntu who's an adult ongathi ingane, the reason i-DNA yenze ngendlela yenza ngayo is because kwenziwe i-DNA too early, ingane was too young. Whether ingane is young or old or whatever, DNA is a DNA, yabo. I understand them saying ukuthi they want a second DNA, but for uLwandle ukuthi athi it's because ingane was too young, that's why i-DNA isho lokho kushoyo, akuyenzi sense guys. So nginako ukuthi if this DNA story is true, this girl is taking advantage of uLwandle, because there is no man, amukho umuntu wesilisa ongathi esetholile ukuthi ingane akuyona yakhe, DNA wise afuna ukuqhubeka athandane, number 1 nomama, 2 aqhubeka nakekela ingane, ayikho leyo nto leyo. I feel ukuthi if the DNA story is true, this girl is taking advantage of uLwandle, because uyambona ukuthi vele uLwandle unako ukuthi athathe kancane in terms of ingqondo, yabo. Right, kodwa futhi akekho right kuphelele, because yona nje leyo comment nje iyodwa ukuthi no, the child was too young when we did the DNA, is like, yabo. Kodwa ke guys, ngeke ziphelele season singalibonanga lonke iqiniso about i-DNA. One thing engiyaziyo guys ukuthi uMacele is very protective of ingane zakhe. And in previous seasons of ingane zesithembu, it felt like ingane kaMacele are very limited ukuthi basikhombisane when it comes to impilo zabo. So ngine feeling yokuthi uMacele mhlawumbe naye ushocked, njengoba sibabona ku-TV naye ushocked, because angicabanga ukuthi uyazi ukuthi bebeshutha oLwandle noKhwezi, ngoba phela khumbula ukuthi uyitshela ukuthi bahlukene, nabazali bakaKhwezi engazi ukuthi bayitshela ukuthi bahlukene, but bayahlangana secretly. So angicabanga ukuthi uMacele ubazi, ngisho ukwazi ukuthi uLwandle noKhwezi are shooting, and istory se-DNA is going to be part of ingane zesithembu, because uMacele tries very hard ukuthi ayi-protect ingane zakhe. Khumbula guys ukuthi istory baby mama lo awokuqala azange baze basitshele sona. Even when the show was on and things were happening online, kuthi uLwandle unengane, azange baze bakhulume ngaleso story, azange bakhulume ngaso, azange bakhulume nge-DNA, nothing. So even afterwards sesenzekile sadlula istory, they didn't talk about it. The only time uMacele ekhulume ngaso, futhi nakhona akabanga specific to say ukuthi ngikhuluma ngale ntombazane yayi ku-Facebook ithi nengane noLwandle, no. Wathi nje the reason I wanted DNA is because khona abantu asebeke bafika bazobika isisu sikaLwandle, and then uma ngabe ingane sifika sesithola ukuthi akuyona kaLwandle, to avoid that decide ukuthi now sekuzokwenziwa i-DNA test. Okay, now you guys, if a DNA was done and it came out negative, and this girl is still insisting on kaLwandle, I feel like she's delulu. Okay, girl, you know ukuthi uno baby daddy wakho somewhere, and probably uzokuyeka nje uhlanye, and at some point uzothi ufuna ingane yakhe yena, naku ingane isibhondile noLwandle, afike umfana athi ufuna ingane yakhe, sihlezi sibona leyo nto, umuntu ashaya ngathi abone ukuthi ingane yakhe izaliwe, but base ku-convenient aqhamuka athi ayibu ingane yami le, now uyazi ukuthi ingane yami leyo. So yes you guys, now Go and watch that scene so that you can understand where we get the whole DNA thing. It's not like it was something that was spoken about by someone else. It was spoken about by uLwandle. Naye ubaby mama to say ukuthi ye DNA was done, but sifuna ukwenza enye and uma akazingeni indaba yethu, and we are meeting secretly njoba sihlangana nje. Mina, I feel like Ukwezi is taking advantage of uLwandle, especially if she knows ukuthi leya ngane inomunye ubaba. Abaningi bathi ngane iyafana noMacele. Angazi mina guys noma sesibona into vele sifuna ukuyibona ngoba most of us besifisa ukuthi ingane kube kaLandla. I don't know you guys. Okay. But basho kanjalo ukuthi ingane ifana no Macele. I think it's that thing yokuthi, you know, like even when abantu beshadile, people would say ukuthi you look alike. Yeah. It's like nje umuntu mosumlindele ukuthi uyayithola into yokuthi hayi lengane le ifana. Yabona. But yeah, we don't even have to worry that much because I think by the end of the season, sizobe clear as to what is happening with uLwandle and his baby mama. But for now, they are saying the DNA was negative and the parents don't even know ukuthi basaqhubeka ne-relationship yabo. And ugirl usafuna ukuthi uLwandle ahamba yokhokha kubo. Bye.